Well, the World Health Organization recently stated that there's no evidence to suggest that our pets can transmit COVID-19. Still, some vets here in Toronto say they've been flooded with questions from concerned pet owners wondering what the impact of the virus is on their furry friends.
So I don't know how long they could carry it themselves. It'd just be on the surface potentially, and how easy it is for them to spread it to humans.
What can happen if we pet up somebody else's dog? Can we get a human's germs from their dog onto us? Just, I guess, some more clear information on that would be helpful.
I've received a lot of calls about the coronavirus and how it affects people's pets.
Bob Watson is a Toronto-based veterinarian. He's one of a group of vets who are accessible on an app called Vets Plus More, a kind of on-demand health information app for your pet.
Should they be taking their pets outside? Should they be washing their hands when they're dealing with their pets? Is there any signs to watch for, any sort of illness to watch for with their pets? Those are the most common questions.
Watson says to be on the safe side, the frequent hand washing rule should extend to when you're handling your pets as well. And if your pooch loves dog parks, he says you don't necessarily have to stop going as long as you take proper precautions.
And the interaction with the dogs is important because you don't want, you want them to be healthy, and that stimulates the appetite too. So I think you're okay that way. Even the World Health Organization has said that they don't know if we can get it by contact with the pet. But the good thing is, as long as we're washing our hands, keeping the hygiene up, then we should be safe and we don't have to worry about our pets transferring it to us.
Should we be bathing them more regularly?
Give them a rinse down, because that won't take away the oil from the coat. And like I said, then it'll be nice and clean. So a rinse down is fine, and keep those paws clean also. You don't want to bath them too often. If you're going to bath, use a medicated shampoo, which is very safe.
We are being a little more careful in dog parks and such.
And then wiping her down, giving her water.
If somebody else comes up to touch our dog or offer a treat, we try not to say yes to that as much as we used to, I suppose.
I feel like everyone's being pretty safe because they want to keep their animals all safe as well and keep them healthy.
Now, if you do have to self-isolate, Watson recommends having a designated household member take care of your pet and restricting outdoor time to the backyard only if you have one. If you are the only person that can take care of your pet, he recommends washing your hands before and after you interact with your dog or your cat, and also wearing a face mask. He also recommends routinely disinfecting any animal contact surfaces. That means things like cages and feeding bowls.